guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here, and I have not done a hair video in so long, and I really wanted to start 2020 with some bangers in terms of hair videos. At least I have so many hairstyles, so many things I want to share with you guys, things that I've been trying on myself that has been effectively working for me, things I just want to learn with you guys so you can learn essentially with me. So today, as you can see by the title, I am doing a twist out on stretched hair. And now this is something that's easy to do even if you're going out the same day and you have only a few hours to spare and you want to get your hair done. Because you're not wetting your hair, you don't have to wait for it to dry or anything like that. So I'm showing you how I went from that to this, all with stretched hair, you guys. I did not wash my hair today. I washed my hair a few days ago. I've been keeping my hair in buns for the past few weeks, I want to say. My hair been in a bun, just really preserving moisture in my hair. Very loose bun at least. I've been including leave-in conditioner and oil and slicking it back just to let my hair retain the moisture. As you can see, I did dye my hair black over the brown, so right now my hair is getting adjusted to all the color that's on it. So I have been having to provide so much moisture to my hair. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. I want to show you guys how I achieve very long twist out curls, because usually when you do your hair, when you do a twist out on wet hair, your hair is very prone to shrinkage, as anyone's hair would be. When your hair is wet, it shrinks. So obviously when you do a twist out on it, it is going to be very short. So I like length. I'm sure you guys like length. I'm sure you would like to see your length when you wear your natural curls or twist outs, braid outs, or whatever the case may be. So here's something that you guys can try on yourselves whenever you have the time. If you're going out, like I said, I did this all in today. I woke up and I filmed it. It's only been 4 hours and I just took it out. This is something that you'll be interested in. Keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Turn on the post notification bell. And I'm so glad that you chose to click on this video to watch. I pray that this is something that is effective for you. Leave your comments down below if there's anything that you'd like me to try. If this worked for you, if you ever tried this before, what products would you use in this? And also, the products that I used in this video is not what you have to do. However, I do suggest using a curling cream in order to hold tight the twist in your hair. So anyways, keep watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Hey you all, so right here, as you can see, I'm just taking my hair out this little bun. I'm really just trying to figure out what side I'm going to part it on. As you can see, my hair is extremely moisturized. I have been putting olive oil, leave-in conditioner, Jamaican black castor oil, and keeping it sleek up in the bun. Just really trying to get my ends back into retaining moisture. I do have bleach and dye over it, so it's just a lot going on with my hair that it just needs TLC. So I just parted my hair to the side, and right here I'm just showing you combing out my hair, getting all the tangles, all the knots. It's not really that much in there because I've just been taking care of my hair and not trying to have a lot of knots in there, especially because knots usually bring dead ends. So I'm just adding my African Pride curling cream in my hair right now, and I am just twisting it up as tight as possible, and I'm going to continue twisting about medium-sized twists all around my hair. before I take out the twist, I'm going to add olive oil to it. And then, so before I take it out, I'm going to add olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil mixed up. And I'm going to apply it to the ends of my hair. So actually, the reason why I keep my hair in a bun is so that the dry and cold air would not dry up my hair. So just to help prevent that, I'm going to put olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil at the ends of my hair, as you guys will see. And then I'm just going to take it out, fluff it out. I'm going to take it out as smoothly as possible. I don't really want to do too much frizzing. So that's the reason why I have oil on my fingers as well, to prevent frizziness. This routine is super simple. It's super easy. It's really great for anyone to do. Remember to do it on dry hair for the best results. This is a stretch hair twist out. I know it's easier to do twist out on wet hair and all that. However, you don't really have to blow dry your hair or anything like that. When you finish washing your hair, put it up in a bun, sleek it back, keep it up, and just have it stretch in a scrunchie or however you call it. Keep it stretched up so then your hair is being able to stretch and dry at the same time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.